We have some new guests. I think it's the two politicians are kissing. Finally, we completed the Berlin trip.
आज हम कहाँ घूमने वाले? चेक पॉइंट चार्ली,
Checkpoint Charlie is side gallery, and then
कितने प्लेसेस हैं पता नहीं मैं.
Berliner Dome, Checkpoint Charlie, and East Side Gallery. I think only 3 places. Then this guy will leave for the Vienna trip, and we will leave for the Prague. Sorry, we will go first in Potsdam, then we will leave for the Prague tomorrow. People are gathering their stuff. Look at this bed of Krishna. very.
ये टॉवल कृष्णा का है और बहुत गंदा है.
We are going to East Side Gallery now, and we have some new guests. Tenya, but his original name is Apurao Joshi.
Yes.
Apurao Joshi, not Apurao. But we call it. You can call it as Tenya. On day 3 morning, we left our hotel a little late, and we had brunch directly. We tried some Mexican food and headed towards the East Side Gallery. One thing we notice in Berlin is about symbol of street signals. Berlin East has street signal symbol like standing man, and Berlin West has a man with hat on his head. This is just my observation, but if you know it in detail, then let me know in comment section. And this is the Berlin Wall, basically another part of Berlin Wall. But surprisingly, and you can find there is some arts which is made by an Indian. This is one of the longest section of without Berlin Wall. You can see it's almost from that end to this end. After all this graffiti is one of the famous graffiti. I think it's the two politicians are kissing. We headed to Checkpoint Charlie after exploring East Side Gallery. Checkpoint behind me is one of the famous checkpoint. It's known as Checkpoint Charlie, and it was used to be a checkpoint for the East and West Germany during Cold War session. You can see also it's written as a US Army Forces checkpoint, and plus you can see this board also. You are leaving American sector. So currently we are standing in American sector. And basically on this side it's Russian sector. See you soon.
बाय. बस नहीं आया फिर अभी जाना
Bye.
पड़ेगा.
After Checkpoint Charlie, we headed towards the Berliner Dome, which is basically Berlin Cathedral. Beside Berlin Cathedral, there is an old museum which displays Roman and Greek artifacts. So this is a place where Angela Merkel lives. It's previous German Chancellor, and luckily we got to see her, but unfortunately I am not able to capture it. After exploring most of the places in Berlin, we decided to go to Potsdam. It is a small town near to Berlin, and it's unique in its own way. modern European architecture of city with some old buildings. And here is a planning went wrong. If you really want to explore Potsdam, you should dedicate a whole day. And we just dedicated 25% of our day. We reached around late evening and we didn't get to see much of the town. But still, it's look very beautiful at night also. We had very light dinner like salad and headed towards our hotel because we were gonna catch early morning train to Prague. Finally, we completed the Berlin trip. We explored a lot of parts in Berlin. We enjoyed the history. We enjoyed nightlife. And I will say, nightlife of Berlin is really nice. And city is too big. There are a lot of history in city. And yes, it's really amazing city. And I wish I could visit it again and again and make some nice vlog next time. And make some nice cinematic shot might be. This time I didn't got any drone shot because of there are restriction in city to fly drone. But hopefully might be next time I will try to get permission from German office to fly drone. Let's see. But yeah, we enjoyed it a lot and next trip we are going to Prague. So stay tuned. Bye. Good night. Goodbye. Thank you for watching till here. I'm bringing the next travel video of Prague. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon and yes, share it with your friends and family. I'm trying my level best to make your tour virtually good.
I hear you laughing and I see you smile.